Welcome to LKIT Learner YouTube channel. In this video tutorial is going to discuss to create a simple animation using Adobe After Effects. To animate a footage, import footage from your storage. You have four methods to import footages to the project window. Go to File menu, and import the file. Or use the shortcut key Ctrl-I. Double-click on the free space in the project window. Or drag and drop the file from your storage. Once you import the footage to Adobe After Effects, you can use the footage to the composition in four methods. Drag and drop the footage into the composition. Drag and drop the footage into the layer palette. Drag and drop the footage into the timeline. Drag and drop the footage into the composition footage in the project window. Once you drag and drop the footage into the composition, you can transform the footage. The transformation parameters are listed in the layer palette. Change the parameter values to customize the transform the footage. To apply a simple animation, you can use the stopwatch button in front of the parameter. Then it creates a keyframe on the current time slider's position. Move the time slide to the next position, keeps enough gap between the keyframes. Initiate the next position. Then it creates another keyframe on the time slider's position. Move the time slider to begin to play the animation.